Hey you guys and gals, and welcome back to the channel, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. We are currently at 72 and going strong. For those of you that are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I'm almost to that goal of 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So, what we're going to do right here is go back, way back into time, and unbox yet another tech product. Here we have the Corsair K60 Low Profile RGB gaming keyboard. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Here we have the instruction manual and the warranty guide, both of which no one ever looks at until they have an issue, of course. Here's the keyboard itself. It does have a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy and not too light. It has an aluminum brushed finish, which I really do like. It's not as metallic-y as the K70 model though. With that model, it is heavier and the entire unit is brushed aluminum with sharp edges as well. Now this one, the K60, only the top half is brushed aluminum and the bottom is plastic. Okay, so I have to say that was probably one of the most user-unfriendly unboxings I've done on this channel to date. I had to open this box upside down, which from an unboxing standpoint, the lift up tab should have been in the front and not in the back, unless I received a box that didn't pass quality control. Also, I did have to fiddle with the cable to get it out of the box, but I did manage. Here I'm going to show you all the details of the keyboard as well as the height of the keys. These are Cherry MX low profile keys, which are not too loud or clicky. I'll have you listen to some ASMR typing here in a bit. Now I just wanted to show you all how to change the RGB settings. You'll need to download the IQ software from Corsair and open the program. It'll also auto-detect your keyboard, and here you will have many options to customize the colors, the duration, and the types as well. Now I'm a simple guy, and all I want to have is a static blue, so that is what I set mine to. You can all fiddle around with this to your liking should you get this keyboard. All of my accessories for my main rig are from Corsair, and this one is keyboard number 4. Each keyboard of mine serves its purpose. This one will be for typing since it's not too sensitive to the touch, unlike the K70, which is super sensitive. As promised, here is the ASMR of the typing. So with that being said, this keyboard is actually at a low price right now. I did get this off Amazon for $40 US, and it looks like it increased to $44 US as of this review. In my opinion, this is a good starting all-around keyboard, good for gaming and typing for those of you looking to purchase one that is a branded keyboard. Nothing really stands out with this keyboard, however, so if you are looking for more practical options such as hotkeys, volume controls, and playback buttons, this one is not for you, and I would recommend the K55 line of keyboards. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, I have set a goal to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and with your help, I'll be able to do so. So please drop a like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching.